In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to work the abbreviation C2B, or cross 2 stitches back. So I've worked to the position of where I want to cross my 2 stitches on the left hand needle. So to do this I'm going to slip the first stitch from my left hand needle purlwise onto my cable needle, and then leave it sitting at the back of the work by passing the cable needle between my needles. And making sure the yarn's at the back of the work, I'm going to knit one from my left hand needle and then knit one from my cable needle. Okay, so I'll just do that one more time. I'll just work to the position of the next cable. Okay, so I'm going to do the same again on the 2 stitches on my left hand needle. I'm going to slip the first stitch purlwise to my cable needle, hold it at the back of the work, and making sure that my yarn's at the back of the work, I'm going to knit 1 stitch from my left hand needle, then knit 1 stitch from my cable needle. So I'll just work a few more stitches and I'll show you in close up. Okay, so I've just crossed these 2 stitches, so I'm starting to make the stitch travel the